Model versioning in machine learning. Model versioning. Model versioning is the practice of naming, tracking, and storing different snapshots of a machine learning model, so you always know exactly which version produced which results. A simple way to think about model versioning is like Git for models. Every time you retrain or tweak a model, you create a new labeled checkpoint instead of overwriting the old one. You can then roll back, compare versions, or branch off experiments without losing the history of what you tried. Imagine a fraud detection model in production. You ship version 3, performance drops, and users complain. With proper model versioning, you can instantly compare v2 and v3, see which data and hyperparameters changed, and safely roll back to the last good version while you debug. Model versioning sits alongside ideas like model serving as a core part of MLOps because it makes experiments auditable and results reproducible. It matters whenever models are deployed to real users. Teams need to trace predictions back to a specific version, meet compliance requirements, and collaborate safely across data scientists, engineers, and product owners. Model versioning